Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you are excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you again lecture number 2, means part 2, and videos 2 of the chapter 6, and the chapter name is that food we eat. So in last all videos I taught you about that what type of food we eat and why we eat food. We eat food because food gives us energy to study and work. In fact, we eat different kinds of food such as milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts. In fact, I have given lots of activities in video 1. So I hope that you are enjoying my classes. So let's start the chapter. This chapter, page number 28. Please open your book and you can read the book also. Next is, some people eat eggs, milk, fish and chicken. They are called non-vegetarian. They are called non-vegetarian. So the people who eat eggs, milk, meat and fish, so that people are called non-vegetarians. That people are called non-vegetarians. Please keep inside your mind that what is non-vegetarian. The people who eat eggs, meat, fish and chicken, that people are called non-vegetarians. They are called non-vegetarians. Next is, people who do not eat eggs, milk, fish and chicken, that they are called vegetarians. They are called vegetarians. So the people who do not eat eggs, meat, fish and chicken, they are called vegetarians. There is the difference. So if somebody will ask, or maybe school will open, then I will ask that tell me the difference between non-vegetarian and vegetarian. Then you will say that the people who eat eggs, meat, fish and chicken. The people who eat eggs, meat, fish and chicken, they are called non-vegetarians. They are called non-vegetarians. Again I am repeating, just keep inside your mind. The people who eat eggs, meat, then fish and chicken, that people, they are called non-vegetarians. They are called non-vegetarians. Now, who are vegetarians? The question is, who are vegetarians? Then you will say the people who do not eat eggs, meat, fish and chicken, they are called vegetarians. They are called vegetarians. Who are called vegetarians? The people who do not eat eggs, fish, meat and chicken, that people are called vegetarians. So I hope that you guys understood between the vegetarian and non-vegetarians. So once the online class will over, please you just go through the chapter and please read line by line. Next question is, one question is there in your book. Are you a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian? Means, are you a vegetarian who do not eat eggs, meat, fish or chicken, or are a non-vegetarian? The people who eat eggs, fish, meat, chicken. So write it here. One line is there, straight line. So you have to write down there. So the students who eat eggs, fish, meat and milk, that they will write non-vegetarian. vegetarians, and the students who do not eat egg, fish, milk and egg, fish, meat and chicken, they will write vegetarians. Write down fast if you have pencil in your hand. Write down fast. Spelling is written already in your book, so no need to tell the spelling. Next is, have you ever wondered where we get our food from? Now you will say directly, ma'am, from shopkeeper. No, then shopkeeper also from where he just take. So we get food from plants and animals. Simply you will say that we will get food from plant and animals. What the answer? We will get food from the plants and animals. Now next if question will ask that what the fruits we get from a plant. What the food we get from the plant. The next line is there in your book. We get foods such as fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts from plants. So these all is the foods that we get from the plants. Which food? Fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts. So these are all the food items that we get from the plants. Next is, we get food such as, now what type of food that we get from the animals? So we get foods such as milk and milk product like with the help of milk like butter, curd, ice cream, paneer, cheese, ghee. So this all is made from the milk product. So the food that we get such as milk products, eggs, fish, meat and chicken, that we get from animals. So whenever the school will open, I will ask that name the food that we get from plants and name the food that we get from animals. You will say these all names. The food we get from animals are milk product, then eggs, meat, fish and chicken. And if I will ask the question, name the food that we get from plants, then you will say fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts. Next is, we get many foods from milk. Means we get many food items from the milk. So they are called milk products. So the food what we get from the milks, that foods are called milk product. So some milk products are, here is some picture which so that food milk product which is made from the milk. First is butter, then curd, then ice cream, ghee, cheese and paneer. So these all is the food that we get from the milk product. Next is, we also need water to live. Water is very important. So water is what we also need water to live. Our body needs at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So in one day we have to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. 8 to 6 glasses of water in one day. Next, how many times do you eat in a day? Means in one day, how many times food you have taken, that you have to write down in answer. 3 times, 2 times, 5 times, that you have to write down in box. Next is page number 29. The last only one line is there, one line. We usually eat 3 meals in a day. We usually eat at least 3 meals in a day. 3 meals, that 3 times of food we eat in one day. Breakfast in the morning, like breakfast in the morning. Second, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. So usually the 3 meals we eat in a one day, that is breakfast, and you just remember every time that breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. So yeah, your chapter is completed and I hope that you guys understood the chapter. Again I will back tomorrow to teach you a new chapter, the clothes we wear, chapter 6. But today only that much is there, homework that I will upload on the website, so please go there and watch your homework. And please inside, don't come outside, be inside and enjoy the online classes. So once this online class is over, after that you read the book also, then after you will understood. Thank you and have a nice day.